Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo. And firstly I will show how to find it on your Apple device, and then I will move to Android device. But some Android devices have system that looks similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and you need to scroll down to find Accessibility. It's located under the General Settings. Click on it, and you need to scroll down right here, and in the Hearing, we have Audio and Visual. Click at this line, and right here at the fourth line we have mono audio. So to enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap on time at this slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android device. On your Android, open Settings, and you need to scroll down to find Accessibility. I have it at the bottom, you need to tap on it. Then scroll down, and we need to find Audio Adjustment. I have it also at the bottom. Click on it, and right here we have Audio Balance. So, to increase the volume for your right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right. But once you increase it for the right earbud, you will lower it for the left earbud. To increase it for the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left. But once you increase it for the left earbud, you will lower it for the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!